Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Meet to run client sessions with reminders. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your Google Calendar. Click on the plus create button in the top left corner. Select the date and time for your client session. In the event details, add a title for your session. Scroll down to the Add Guests section. Enter the email addresses of your clients. Next, enable Google Meet for the session by clicking on Add Video Conferencing. Select Google Meet from the drop-down menu. Now, go to the Notifications section. Click on Add Notification to set a reminder. Choose when you want to receive the reminder, such as 10 or 30 minutes before the session. Once you have set the reminders, click on Save at the top of the page. A prompt will appear asking if you'd like to send invitations to your guests. Click Send to notify your clients about the session. Your Google Meet link is now ready, and reminders are set. To access the session, return to your Google Calendar on the scheduled date. Click on the event to open the details. You will see the Google Meet link to join the session. Make sure to test your audio and video settings before the meeting. Now you are prepared to run your client sessions seamlessly with reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.